Have ChatGPT read your employment handbook and take a test for you. And I'm going to show you how. Hi, my name is Alice and I teach online skills. I love software for ChatGPT. Today we're going to go over employment documents, employer handbook, how we can utilize ChatGPT to analyze the documents in case your employer is asking you to take a test and they'll test you on the information in the handbook. We could have ChatGPT analyze the document and give us the answers. Make sure to stay till the end. I will have the answers. We'll see if I got the job. This is important for contract workers and anyone looking for a job because we will be applying. If you subscribe to my channel, I will be showing you more walkthroughs and tutorials utilizing different softwares, whether it's for creativity or looking for a job. And I'll be giving you those tips and hacks, so make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. So you have a document because you've applied for a job and they're asking you to read a handbook, and then you have to pass a quiz. The handbook's really long. We're going to have ChatGPT review the handbook, extrapolate those answers that we're looking for so that we can pass the test and continue with the application process for applying for a job. This is a company that have reached out to me. I will be writing books as a ghostwriter for their clients. I will be writing memoirs, fiction. It's more of a contract job. I'll drop a link so you can also apply. What I want to do is I don't want to spend all this time reading a handbook. I'll just review it. I'll have ChatGPT review it. Hopefully I'll pass the quiz. I want to download this to my computer. File download, go to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, give it context, introduce yourself. Hi ChatGPT, I have an employer handbook and I need to pass a quiz. Here is the handbook. You're going to upload the handbook, okay? And if you have any specific questions or topics from the handbook you'd like me to help you understand better for your quiz, please let me know. We're going to go into the acceleration quiz. Writer training quiz. If you pass this test with a score of 90%, you'll earn accredited status at Bookmaker. A sure sign that you are fully onboarded, fully trained writer, ready to go. So the first question is, what are the two primary elements of storyteller's narrative nonfiction approach to writing? So you're going to copy this. The first question is italics. Here are my answer options. 1, 2, 3. So which one of these are correct according to the information in the handbook? The correct answer is captivating anecdotes and the storyteller's authentic voice. Okay, number 1. The handbook specifies that captivating anecdotes and the narrative's authentic voice are central to the creation of your books. We go to our form and we go number 1. We go to the next one. We go to ChatGPT. Paste. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. What steps do you take before accepting a new project to ensure you are capable of providing what's needed? Check all that applies. Based on the guidelines in the handbook, the correct steps you should take before accepting a new project to ensure you are capable of providing what's needed are: assess calendar to note any scheduling conflicts. Number 2, evaluate current workload. 3, alert the project editor. Number 1, assess calendar to note any scheduling conflicts. Number 2, evaluate current workflow. Number 3, alert the project editor. 4, base acceptance of project on interest of subject matter regardless of availability. Base acceptance of project on interest of subject matter regardless of availability. That's not right. You need to be available to accept the project. So we need to check only the top 3. 1, 2, 3, because check all that apply. Now next. Okay. And you go. Oops, I didn't even put 1, 2, or 3. ChatGPT can understand. According to the guidelines in the handbook, when faced with a project containing challenging or uncomfortable material, the appropriate steps to take are: discuss it with your project editor, update your bookkeeper profile. The option to accept the project and hope for the best is not advisable. Check all that apply. So I just go 1, 2. You can see that we can go through this entire application. I'm going to go and finish applying to this application. I'll submit it. I'll wait to see what the response is and if I passed the test. I want to show you the confirmation that I passed the test. If this works, then you can use it for your quizzes. All right, I'm going to pull up an email from the employer to see if I passed the test. All right, I'm recording my screen. Here we go. I got accepted to the job. Storytellers is the company. I got the terms of conditions for being a freelancer and an official welcome to the team. And I think I can find my profile. Hi there, a quick interjection. Why is it important that I'm creating videos about ChatGPT? Well, with AI and automation, we're going to see a shift in the market. I'm actually going to be talking about the future trends of AI and what that means for the job market. Even if you're not laid off, it's important for you to have some online skills or understanding of ChatGPT and other software programs because they're going to be replacing you. If you want to dabble or actually pick up some extra work online or learn how to work online is really important, especially like if you're all of a sudden out of a job, and sometimes it could take up to a year to get a new job. And if you got a mortgage to pay, like you don't got a year. This is why I decided to teach. I got laid off before a couple of times and I lost a few clients, especially now with ChatGPT. The competition has gone up and then it's more supply, less demand, and then your rate's going to go down. Unless you have a personal brand, then it's okay. I'm just going to be learning online skills. As the tools come out in the market, I'll just be trying them out. So maybe you could try them out and see how you like it. Here I am. Awesome. So here's my profile. And I need to finish some stuff on the back end. This is my brother and my dad. And then I get to write for them. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and drop this link in the description so you can look up the company. Pretty excited. We'll see what kind of writing I'll be doing. It's a website that hires writers to do ghostwriting. You write books for clients that they send you. So I'm going to be excited to see the next chapter. In my next episode, I'm going to try to find a video editor for $100 a month. That person's going to have to edit 2 videos a week. So let's see if we can do it. I only have a budget of $100. Ideally, this person's going to be an intern and help me with a lot of these videos so I could upload more. Please subscribe to my channel if you love these videos. And leave a comment below because I'd like to know what you think of these videos. Do you like ChatGPT? Do you use it? How do you use it? What other cool tricks and hacks you have? Please subscribe and let me know.